Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Anna, and today we have another fun and useful English conversation for you.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. It's great to see you all again. Today's topic is something we all can relate to: family. We're going to talk about family members, family traditions, and everyday conversations you can have about your family, all in simple, natural English.
Exactly. Whether you're a beginner or someone trying to sound more natural, today's episode will help you speak confidently about your family.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's start learning English by talking about something we all love: our family.
Part 1. Introducing your family. Let's start with how to introduce your family in English. When someone asks you, "Tell me about your family," you can begin with a simple sentence like, "My family is small," or "I come from a big family."
Right. Then you can describe the people in your family. For example, I live with my parents and my 2 sisters. Or, I live with my wife and children.
Anna, how would you describe your family? I'd say I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My parents live in the countryside, and we visit them every weekend.
That sounds lovely. My family is smaller. I have 1 younger brother, and my parents live in another city. We talk on the phone almost every day.
That's great. And for our listeners, if you want to sound more natural, try using family vocabulary like parents, siblings, relatives, cousins, grandparents, uncles, and aunts.
Exactly. And if you want to say, "I'm close to my family," it means you have a good relationship with them.
Let's give an example conversation.
Dialogue practice 1. Introducing family.
Anna, tell me about your family.
Sure. My family is small. I live with my wife and our son. My parents live nearby, so we visit them often.
That's nice. I have a big family. I live with my parents, my grandmother, and my 2 brothers. It's always noisy at home.
Noisy but full of love.
Part 2. Talking about family members. Now, let's go a bit deeper and talk about different family members. Here are some basic terms you should know: father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter, husband, wife, uncle, aunt, cousin, grandfather, grandmother.
Perfect. And here's a tip. When you talk about someone, you can use possessive forms. For example, my father's name is John. My sister's job is very interesting.
Exactly. Let's practice that in a conversation.
Dialogue practice 2. Describing family members.
David, what does your father do?
My father is a teacher. He teaches history at a high school. What about your parents?
My dad works in a hospital. He's a doctor. My mom's a homemaker, and she loves cooking.
Wow, I'd love to try her food someday.
She'd love that. She always cooks extra for guests. Part 3. Daily family life.
Now let's talk about daily family life. When you describe what your family usually does together, you can say, "We eat dinner together every night. We watch movies on weekends. We like going to the park on Sundays."
Exactly. It's simple and natural. You can also talk about family habits. For example, my dad always reads the newspaper in the morning, or my mom wakes up early to make breakfast.
Let's turn this into a conversation for our listeners. Dialogue practice 3. Daily family habits. Anna, what does your family usually do on weekends?
We usually have lunch together on Sunday. After that, we watch a family movie. What about you?
My family loves spending time outdoors. We often go hiking or have a picnic.
That sounds so nice. My family prefers staying at home, but we talk and laugh a lot together.
That's what matters, spending time together.
Part 4. Expressing feelings about family. Now, let's learn how to express feelings about your family. You can say things like, "I love my family. I'm grateful for my parents. My family means everything to me."
Yes, and you can also describe your family relationships. For example, I'm very close to my mother. My brother and I fight sometimes, but we love each other.
That's common. Every family has small arguments, but love always wins.
True. Let's create an example. Anna, I feel really lucky to have such a caring family.
That's wonderful, Anna. I feel the same. My parents always support me even when things get difficult. That's what family is for, to support and love each other. Part 5, talking about family traditions. Every family has traditions, things you do together during holidays or special occasions. You can say, we always have dinner together on New Year's Eve. We visit our grandparents every summer. My family celebrates birthdays with homemade cake.
That's right. In my family, we have a small reunion every year. Everyone brings food, and we talk, laugh, and take lots of photos.
That sounds wonderful. My family has a tradition too. We decorate the house together for every festival. It's fun and full of laughter.
Here's how you can use this in a conversation. Anna, does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, every December we visit my grandparents and spend a week together. We play games, cook, and exchange gifts. That sounds so warm and happy. My family always celebrates with music and food. My mom makes our favorite dishes.
I think I should visit your family sometime.
You're always welcome. Part 6, talking about family in everyday English. Now, let's learn some useful expressions to make your family conversations sound more natural. Try using phrases like, I grew up in a loving family. I take after my mother, meaning I'm similar to my mother. We get along really well. My brother and I are like best friends.
Yes, these make your English sound smooth and natural. Let's see how they work in conversation. Anna, who do you take after, your mom or dad?
I think I take after my mom. She's calm and patient, just like me.
And humble too.
Of course! What about you? I take after my dad. We both love talking and making people laugh.
That's why your podcast energy is amazing.
Part 7, Family Vocabulary Recap. Okay, everyone, let's quickly review some of the words and expressions we learned today.
Here's your family vocabulary list. Parents, siblings, cousins, relatives, grandparents, husband or wife, uncle or aunt, son or daughter, close family or extended family, family reunion.
And here are some useful phrases. Tell me about your family. I'm close to my parents. I live with my brother and sister. We always have dinner together. I take after my father. My family means a lot to me. Part 8, Practice Challenge. Now it's your turn. Try making 3 to 5 sentences about your family using today's vocabulary.
You can start like this. My family is small. I live with my parents. My father is a teacher. My mother loves gardening. We always have breakfast together.
Perfect. Keep practicing like that and you'll improve faster than you think. Part 9, Cultural Note. One last note. Remember that family structures can be different in different cultures. Some people live with parents and grandparents, while others live alone after marriage.
Yes, and all types of families are special. What matters most is the love and support we share.
Part 10, Wrap Up. So today we learned how to talk about our family, describe family members, express love, and share family traditions all in simple English.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Try using these phrases in your next English conversation.
And don't forget, you can listen to this podcast again to practice pronunciation and intonation.
Also, tell us in the comments, how would you describe your family in English?
We'd love to read your answers. And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Daily for more natural English lessons every week. Thank you for listening.
See you next time, and don't forget to talk to your family in English today. Bye, everyone.